Hey, it's Jason at Hangtown Affordable Auto Repair with our number 5 video, 25 reasons why we're better than everybody else. Number 21, we have a Subaru factory trained technician. CCW holders get 10% off, up to $50 off per work order. We have a clean waiting area. No greasy handprints, no parts, no stinky oil. We have little scented things for your pleasure. We are located next to Safeway, Starbucks, Jamba Juice, everything over there. There's a new sourdough something. And also, we are in the process of getting, if you're trying to build your credit, we can get you some credit. Or if you have bad credit, they will do it as well. So that's number 25. Thanks for watching. Give us a call, 530-503-9290 or www.hangtownauto.com. See us on Facebook. Give us a like.